With the 10th pick in the 2018 NBA Draft, the Philadelphia 76ers select Mikal Bridges from Villanova University.
There's some Sixer fans in the house. It's all Mikal's mom, Tanisha Rivers, who was fired up about this pick. Since 2008, Dante DiVincenzo's college teammate, awaiting to hear his name called. Since 2008, Bridges is the 9th four-year college player to make it into the top 10. He continually improved. He was a third-team All-American last year, as Jay mentioned, a two-time national champion. It comes out of the culture, Jay, that you have referred to as the best in college basketball and one that would seemingly really prepare you for pro life.
Oh, he is absolutely prepared, and this is a first for Villanova basketball. This is the first time that a Villanova player has worn a nicer and more expensive suit than Jay Wright.
But got Mom here too, Tania. We love that celebration, and there's not a better storybook ending here. I mean, what does it mean, Mikal, to be able to play in the same place where you grew up and you've watched your mom work for years?
I mean, it means the world to me, you know. Not the fact that I'm home, you know, I'm just put in a great organization, you know, great coaches, you know, I know who's going to develop me. And they, you know, they take a lot of pride in me. They took a chance on me, and I'm just happy, man. It's just a blessing.
Mom, how do you describe this moment and how it's come full circle?
It's amazing. It's an experience I'll never forget, and I'm so excited he's coming home to be part of our Sixers family. It's amazing. Go Sixers!
You say that you get choked up every time you see him running out of the locker room. Now you get to see him run out of the locker room in the arena you work in.
Yeah.
I mean, what does that mean?
How crazy is that? It's surreal. It's an amazing experience. I'm so excited, and I'm looking forward to it.
And for those that don't know your story, Mikal, you were a red shirt, you turned into a sixth man of the year, and then you were a captain of a national championship team. So how has your journey made you the player that you are?
It's a lot of work, man. I've been through a lot. I know different roles. You know, I came off the bench. I sat out. I started. I was a captain. I was a, star player. I've been through everything, and I mean, I don't know. I just want to thank God for this. I'm too happy for this.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
you guys
much.
enjoy this. You're
Thank
welcome.
you.